Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a trigonometric sum as a product. Our first example is sine 5x plus sine 3x. We'll begin by writing the sum to product identity. Sine alpha plus sine beta is equal to 2 times sine alpha plus beta divided by 2 times cosine alpha minus beta divided by 2. We'll let alpha be 5x and we'll let beta be 3x. This gives us that sine 5x plus sine 3x is equal to 2 times sine, and we'll add alpha plus beta, so we have 5x plus 3x, and divide that by 2, and then we multiply it by cosine 5x, and then we'll subtract 3x and divide all of that by 2. This gives us 2 sine 4x times cosine of 2x divided by 2, which is just cosine x. Our last example is cosine 255 degrees minus cosine 195 degrees. I've included this example because it's more complicated and we'll need to use a reference angle. Just like we did with the first problem, we'll start with our sum to product identity. We have cosine alpha minus cosine beta is equal to minus 2 sine alpha plus beta divided by 2 times sine alpha minus beta divided by 2. Our alpha is 255 degrees and our beta is 195 degrees. Cosine 255 degrees minus cosine 195 degrees is equal to minus 2 sine. Now we'll add our two angles. So we have 255 degrees plus 195 degrees divided by 2 times sine of 255 degrees minus 195 degrees, all divided by 2. This gives us minus 2 sine 255 plus 195 divided by 2 gives us 225 degrees. And then 255 minus 195 divided by 2 gives us 30 degrees. So we'll multiply this by sine of 30 degrees. 225 degrees is in quadrant 3. So our reference angle is going to be theta minus 180 degrees. So let's make a note that our reference angle is theta minus 180 degrees. So this is 225 degrees minus 180 degrees, which is equal to 45 degrees. And we know that the sine of 45 degrees is root 2 over 2. The sine function is negative in our third quadrant. So that means our answer is going to be minus 2. Sine of 225 is going to be minus root 2 over 2 times sine of 30 degrees, which is 1/2. We have a lot of 2's going on here. Let's see. One of them's going to cancel. And our answer is going to be root 2 divided by 2. I have a video on how to find reference angles if you need to brush up on that. I hope that you now feel more comfortable with sum to product identities and feel ready to do some of these problems on your own.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.